Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto enhance on iPhone's camera and photos. So guys, if you want to turn off auto enhance on your iPhone's camera and photos, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to camera and then go to preserve settings, and from here turn off all these toggles. So guys, simply turn them off, and after this go back and from here scroll it below, and from here turn off smart HDR from here as well. So guys, simply do this, and after this save this information on your device, and now go back to your home screen and check if the auto enhance feature is turned off or not. And if it is still working, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device, and after this the auto enhance feature will be turned off on your iPhone's camera. So guys, in this way you can also turn off auto enhance feature on iPhone's camera and photos on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.